Under my skin, how deep I don't even know. Tried everything, but I don't anymore. Realizing, shouldn't have let you go. Shouldn't have let you go. Hardest part is knowing that I had it. Something almost perfect. We were almost perfect. Maybe it's too late for me to save this, but I gotta face this no matter how I hate it. I need your